In this video, we are going to learn 5 best PowerPoint tips and tricks for beginners. Tip number 1, duplicating a slide. Do you know you can easily duplicate your slide and use it in a new slide? Let's see how to get it done. For instance, if I wanted to use this particular slide in a new slide, I can easily duplicate it. Then I will have to cut it and paste it in a new slide. How can I get it done? All you need to do is to place your mouse on the current slide that you wanted to get duplicated, then right click on it, then click on duplicate slide. Better still, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl D. Let's undo it. Then all you need to do is to place your mouse on it, then press Ctrl D on your keyboard. Then the slide is going to be duplicated, as you can see right now. So for instance now, if I wanted to use it in a new slide, all I need to do is to right click again, then I'm going to cut it. Then once I cut it, then I'm going to press Ctrl N for a new slide. Then all I need to do is to paste it. Just press Ctrl V in order to paste it. As you can see, this slide has been pasted to a new slide. All you need to do is to delete this previous one on the top, then you have the new slide here. So this is how you can duplicate a slide in PowerPoint. Tip number 2, morph transition. For an illustration purpose, I've decided to design this particular slide in order to explain how you can use morph transition. There are so many ways you can use it. Let me know in the comment section below if you wanted me to create a full video on how you can use morph transition in your various projects in PowerPoint. Credit to Pixabay.com. I have all this image downloaded from Pixabay. In order to use the morph transition, I need to duplicate this particular slide. All I need to do is to press Ctrl D like I showed you previously. Once I have the slide duplicated, all I need to do is to come to this first slide. So then I'm going to zoom out so that I can have all these items dragged to the outside of the slide. So I'm going to select the shape and the text. In order to do that, all you need to do is to place your mouse on the text, then press shift, then place your mouse on the shape and press shift. Once you are done, then you are going to drag it outside. Then I'm going to select the shape and the text by pressing shift. Then I'm going to drag it outside and make sure everything aligns properly until I see this particular ruler that shows. Once everything shows, then I'm going to leave it. I'm okay with it right now. Then after that, I'm going to zoom in. Don't worry, you are going to understand better what I'm trying to do here. So I'm going to zoom in back again so that everything can look nice around this size. Once I zoom in, then I'm going to select all these items. Then I'm going to align it properly so that everything can be well aligned until I see this particular ruler that shows everything has been aligned. Then I'm going to leave it that way. Then I'm going to come to this second slide. Then I'm going to also click on the third slide. All you need to do is to click on the first slide, then press shift and click on the third slide. Once you click on it, then you are going to click on morph. So once you click on morph, everything will be able to transition smoothly in a professional way. So now let's preview our slide to see how it's going to look like. Let's see the preview of the morph transition. Can you see how everything transitions smoothly using the morph transition? Can you see? So this is how you can use morph transition to engage your audience in your PowerPoint presentation. Moving on, tip number 3, open the selection pane. Now, selection pane allow you to basically adjust your design by selecting the one you wanted to be at the top or at the bottom or at the right hand side or left hand side. Let's see how you can use selection pane in your PowerPoint designs. If I wanted to use the keyboard shortcut, I can easily press Alt F10. Now, once I press Alt F10, then I'm going to see all these layer that will appear here. Can you see? So if I wanted to hide any of this one, maybe I'm no longer interested in it, or I don't want to show it in a particular slide, but I may use it again, then I can easily hide it. Instead of deleting it, I can simply hide it. Can you see? So once I click on this eye icon, everything is going to hide. Can you see? So I can easily hide everything. So this is how you can use selection pane, and you can also click on it to show it once again. Now as you can see, everything is just written text box. So if you wanted to know the name of a particular item in your design, for instance, if I wanted to know the name of this one now, I can easily simply write keyboard text. For instance, this mouse. So if I wanted to rename it, instead of graphic 17, I can simply rename it as mouse, so that I can easily know that this mouse. So if I wanted to place the mouse at the bottom, I can simply click and drag it and place it at the bottom. Also, if I wanted to rename the keyboard, instead of graphic 15, I can simply rename it as keyboard. So basically, selection pane is a layer. It allows you to rename your design objects or graphic objects, and it also allows you to rearrange it, as well as you can easily hide or reveal any of the graphic elements in your design. For instance, if I want to hide the keyboard, since I've renamed it, I can easily hide this. So this is how you can use selection pane in your PowerPoint design. Before we proceed, please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell, so that each time I upload a new video like this, you will be the first person to be updated. Also let me know in the comment section below any topic or title you wanted me to create a video about related to PowerPoint, and I will be glad to do that for you. Thank you. Let's continue. Tip number 4, format painter. With format painter, you can simply apply the same styling to any of your design element. For instance, if I wanted to change this particular word or text to the same color, as well as to make it bold, just like this one, I can simply do that. In order to give this particular text the same color and make it bold as this one, all you need to do is to select this one. Just click this one that you wanted to model, then come to this paintbrush icon, which is known as format painter. Click on the format painter, then all you need to do is to drag your mouse on this one, then the color and the styling is going to be applied. Can you see? Everything has been applied. So this is how you can use format painter to quickly copy and paste styling and formatting in PowerPoint. Tip number 5, combining shapes. With PowerPoint, you can simply combine and manipulate shapes. With this particular method, you can use it to create different logo or different design ideas. It all depends on your imagination. For instance, if I wanted to create a moon icon, or if I want to create a moon, simply all I need to do is to come to this section, click on insert, then I'm going to click on shape. Then I'm going to click on this oval shape. Once I click on the oval shape, then I'm going to press shift on my keyboard. Then I'm going to drag it like this until I have the desired shape. All I need to do once again is to press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Press Ctrl C, then Ctrl V in order to copy and paste. So I'm going to remove the outline of these two items. I'm going to select the first one, select it, then to select the second one, press shift. Once you have pressed shift, all you need to do is to click on shape format, then click on shape outline, then click on no outline. As you can see, the outline has been removed. Then I'm going to make sure that this particular shape is well placed. So once I place it correctly, can you see these two shapes? Then I wanted to subtract this shape from this one in order to create the moon logo. So in order to do that, I'm going to select everything just by dragging your mouse on the two shapes. So after you have dragged your mouse on it, then you are going to come to shape format, then you are going to come to this section which is merge shapes, then click on merge shapes, then you are going to click on subtract. Can you see this is how you can use this particular method to create any logo of your choice. These two help you to create different logo. For instance now, if I wanted to create another manipulation, for instance if I click on the oval shape, I'm going to press shift again, then drag it, then I'm going to come to this section again. I can easily click on insert, then click on shape. I'm going to click on this star shape, then I'm going to drag it to make everything well aligned. Can you see? Then I'm going to rearrange it until everything has been lined up perfectly. Can you see? So I'm going to press on the star shape, then I'm going to come to shape format. I'm going to click on shape outline, then I'm going to click on no outline. As you can see, this particular shape, there is no outline. Then I can simply come to shape fill, then I can give it any color that I wanted to give it. For instance, if I wanted to give it black color, I can simply give it the black color. In order to manipulate the shape, all you need to do is to select all the two shape by dragging on it. Then once you are done, you are going to come to shape format, then you are going to click on this merge shape, then you are going to click on subtract. As you can see, it will now be able to create a new shape. So this is how you can work with shape in PowerPoint. Alright, this has bring us to the end of this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please do me a favor by simply subscribing to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. This goes a long way by helping me to create more videos like this, as well as helping my channel to grow. Thank you. See you in my next video.